Hello, here we are for the 12th video from the Tech Hub project, and today we will make the 3D model for the 12 product from this project. So let's see what product is there. So I will open my browser, and in browser we will go to the website of the project, and from there we will open the PDF tutorial. So I write here Smart Tech Hub, and you can see the website. So I take this website Smart Tech Hub, and from here I will go to the tutorials. So I go to events, and from events I will go to learning, teaching and training activities. Go here, and here we will find the summer school. Here is the C2, the first intensive summer school, and I will go to read more, and from here I will open the PDF tutorial. So here we have all the materials from the project. So here it's not 20, it's 21 PDF guides, 20 is 21 3D printed prototypes, and 84 CAD, STL, and G-code, and there is more than 100 files, because each product have few components. Some of them had few components, so there is almost 100 files, CAD files, STL file, G-code files, and so on. So I will open the PDF guide here, and we open all 21 products. So how you can see here is 21 products, but today we want to open the 12th one. So I open it, and this is the 12th product, and the 12th product is a VESIS plant pots and plant support, and it's a VESIS plant pots, and we should make the design for this product. Okay, let's see what we should do. Of course, first of all, we open the SolidWorks, we start a new part. From here, we go and create a sketch. So this is the sketch. Let's perform this sketch and obtain this shape. Okay, so I start a new sketch. From this sketch, I open, from part, I will open a sketch, but wait to upload the interface, the work interface. So I will go to sketch, take a sketch command, choose a plane, and on this plane I create a sketch. Okay, so the sketch is created, and just create an axis from here to somewhere here. Okay, so I have my axis now, and just create the profile, and this profile had a line. Yes, here is line, arc, another arc, line, line, line. Okay, let's try to do that. So just take a line here, take another line from here to here, another small line somewhere here, and here, just two arcs. Yes, so from this point to, I don't know, this point, there should be an arc, and from this point to this point, another arc. Okay, so this is my shape, and now just put the constraints, and the constraint is this point, this line with this arc should be tangent, and these two arcs between them should be tangent. Okay, so now I had all the constraints put it there, and just now put the dimensions. Good, so let's see, 150 the overall height, 150 millimeters. Yes, so I had this dimension. The bottom diameter from here, it's under my axis, is 100. Good. The first arc is 125 millimeters. So 125. Yes, good. So don't worry about this, because we will fix this. Don't worry. Okay, let me take it somewhere here like this. So how you can see, I can stretch this sketch manually. Yes. Okay, So we see a dimension 25 millimeters. So I know that from center of this arc to the origin of the sketch is 25 millimeters, and you can see this arc is constrained. Good. The second one is that had the value 50 millimeters, and the center is at 110 millimeters. That's it. And here is just the angle 10 degrees. Yes. So from here to here is 10 degrees, and you can see my sketch now is fully constrained. Yes. So I will arrange the dimensions in order to see them. Yes. Like this. Let me make some arrangements. Okay, so this is the sketch. I will exit from sketch, go to features, and make a revolve, of course, and just put it on the axis. And that is the main body that we obtain. Good. On this body, we will go and create another. So this is our first feature. We make a revolve, and after that we will go and create 5 planes or 4. I don't know exactly. Let me read the text. For next sketches, you need to be created 5 planes. Okay, 5. Starting from top surface of the first feature, create a parallel plane at 25 millimeter distance in opposite direction, setting flip offset. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to a reference, take a plane and say from top surface, go bottom. So I need to check the flip offset and change the dimension. Instead of 10 millimeters, I will use 25. Good. So I obtain first plane. And I will repeat this operation from top, go flip, go 50. And I will repeat this 5 times. From here, go flip 75. Sorry, it's something wrong here. It should be delete. So from here, go 75. Okay, now it's correct. Yes, the references was wrong. Okay, so this is the first, the fourth one, and it will be 100. The fourth one and the fifth one. From here, go flip, go 125 millimeters. Okay, so now I have all the 5 planes. Yes, so you can see all of them at 25 millimeters. Good. I will make them invisible, all of them. Yes, so I will select them and say hide. Why? Because I don't want to see them. I just will use it. I will use them from here. So just go and create the second sketch on the first plane. So I will create the sketch on the first plane. Yes, so here should be draw a circle. Like okay, here it's explained how to draw this sketch. Yes, so what we have 2 lines at 30 degrees. Okay, let me try to do that. So it will be on top. I suppose that I will create on top surface. Yes, you can see here on top surface. So next sketch is created on top surface. So just click on top surface, look normal to the sketch, and here first of all I will create an axis. It will help me to define the rest of element, and here I will create 2 lines, and these 2 lines will start from same point, you see, and after that I select first line, press Ctrl, select second line and the axis, and say to be symmetrical. And now how I choose this line, how I will change this line, second one will be changed in same way, and this point I want to be on same horizontal. Yes, good. And now just add the dimension. So what I know, there will be an arc. Yes, you see 75 millimeters diameter. So if I will transform it in radius, it will be 75 on 2. Yes, so it is 2. Good. And of course I can drag this. Sorry, I will change a little bit my arc. Why? Because it constrains not in correct position. So just let me make some adjustments. Okay, so from here to here we go. Yes, And now just put the dimension, it will be 75 per 2. Good. Now I can change this arc. After that, the endpoint is at 26. Yes, so from center to the point is 26.5, sorry. Yes. That's it. I need the angle 30 degrees. Yes, so from this line to this line should be 30. Good. Now it's constrained. Why my arc is not constrained? Oh, sorry. This should be in the center. Yes, so this should be merged. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Good. And here I had a radius of 0.5 millimeters. Yes, 0.5. And just select this line and this line and validate the result. Okay, so now I have the finished sketch. This is how it looks. So now we see the sketch. Yes, this is the profile of the sketch. Good. So I create finished sketch. Go to second one. Yes, so second one will be at 15 degrees from first one. Yes, and will have almost it has same shape but different dimensions. Okay, let's create another sketch on first plane on this one. Yes, rotate normal tool, create the sketch. Yes, our references, and say that this line will be at 15 degrees. Yes, so now I constrain my axis, and from this axis I will create same profile, just we will use another dimensions. Yes, so again 2 lines from my axis, and I say to these 2 lines to be an axis, of course, to be symmetrical. And now just create an arc with I should create an arc here to here, and the center of arc should be on the axis. Yes, like this. Say coincident. Good. And now constrain it. So the diameter of the arc is 66, so the radius will be 33. Good. And of course this should be in the center. Yes, it should be matched. Good. And but same 30 doesn't work. It should be 22 millimeters. Yes, from this point to this point aligned. Sorry, it's not a good dimension. 22 aligned. Yes, so like this, 20 millimeters. So I have the radius, I have the length, I have the angle. Yes. Now I should create the 0.5 millimeters fillet. Yes. So here should be a fillet, like this. Good. And just exit from sketch. Okay, so I had 2 sketches. Go to third one. Yes. So third one will be on second plane. Look at the sketch. Create an axis. Yes. And here are the dimensions. And it will be at 30 degrees, of course. So create another axis somewhere here. Yes, somewhere here. And just say that between this and this should be 30 degrees. Yes. We go from 15 to 15 degrees and create the same profile. Yes, somewhere here, don't matter where. There to here. The lines. After that, select lines and axis and say to be parallel. Create the arc from this to this and say to this to be coincident axis, and again the center of the arc with origin to be merged. Add the dimension, and here is 65 millimeters diameter, so the radius will be 65 per 2. The distance is 21.5 aligned. 21.5, and again 30 degrees here. And we have a constraint sketch and 0.5 fillet. Yes, so just select these two lines and say sketch, and this is how they are look. And if I rotate, they are look like this. Okay, let's continue. And second one is the third plane. Yes, so look at new sketch and create again the axis and same profile, and we will just look at the dimensions. Okay, so from this to this should be 45 degrees. Yes. Good. So I have my new axis. On this axis I will create again same profile. Yes, two lines and one arc. Okay, I created here, so this with axis should be on the same point, and this center with origin should be merged. Okay, and this line with this line from axis should be symmetrical. And just let's take a look at the dimensions. Yes, so this is the fourth one, and it should be 85. Okay, so the radius is 85 per 2. Good. The length is 26.5, so from here to here is 26.5. Yes, and same 30 degrees here. Good. And 0.5. Yes, and fillet of 0.5. Good. And this is the sketch. Exit from sketch. So we had 4 sketches here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go to the fifth one. It's same. Yes. So sketch, open, and say on display. Look perpendicular to it. Create again the axis, and now will be 60 degrees. Yes. So from here to here will be 60 degrees. Yes, and same profile. Again, repeat same operations. 2 lines, 1 arc, and the rest of constraints. Yes, so I create my elements and just start now. This point with axis should be coincident, and also this point with center to be merged, and this line with this line from the axis should be symmetrical. Yes. Something go not symmetrical. Okay, now it's okay. And just let's take the dimension 102 millimeters. So this means 51. Yes, 51. Good. And here should be 35. So from here to here is 35. Yes. And of course, again 30 degrees here. Good. And 0.5, of course, fillet 0.5, and from here to here 0.5. Validate, exit from sketch. Yes. Good. These are my sketches, and the last one, or not the last one, sorry, the 7th sketch. Here is the 8th sketch. Here is a mistake. This is the 8th sketch. So here we are. This is our sketch. Yes, that's 75 degrees. So I take the sketch, show the last plane. Yes, and create the axis on 75 degrees somewhere here. Yes, and say from this axis to this axis should be 75 degrees, and create again the profile. Yes, so from here to here, and an arc here also. Okay, so I know that this point with this axis should be coincident. This point with this point should be merged, and this line with this line from the axis should be parallel. Yes. Okay. Now put the dimensions. There is 107 millimeters. So this means 107 per 2. Yes, good. 40 millimeters distance from this point to this point, aligned, of course, 40 millimeters, and 30 degrees here. So we keep same dimensions and radius or fillet of 0.5 here. Exit from sketch. Okay, so now we had 6 sketches. And the last one is this. Yes, so this sketch will be on the basis. So the last sketch is on the bottom basis, will look like this. And now I will create it here at 90 degrees. Yes, so I just draw a horizontal axis and just create the profile on horizontal one. Same profile as 2 lines, 1 arc. This same, this point with this point should be coincident, merged, and this line with this line about axis should be symmetrical. Yes, and but the dimension. So the arc had 51 millimeters. Yes, 102 diameter. So this is 51 radius. The distance of point is 35. So from this point to this point is 35. 30 degrees. Yes. 0.5 here, of course. Yes. Exit from sketch. So we finish all the sketches. You can see that we have here all the sketches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sketches. Yes. So to all these 7 sketches we apply the cut loft. Okay, let's try. Go to features, take a lofted cut. And now just show the profiles, and I will show this radius. It's very important to show same element from each sketch. So if I show this fillet, so for each sketch I will show same profile, you see, because here will be generated a pet, yes, a cutting pet. And you should choose same element. If you choose a lateral line, you should choose this line for all your elements. Okay, and that's it. Just validate. Okay, so here we had a problem. You see, here our lofts don't work correctly. And in this case, what we will do, I will say clear, and I will start from outside one. Yes, because there was a problem. So pay attention to your element, which element you select. In order to obtain, you see here it's again a not correct selection, and I don't understand why. Yes, now it's okay. Depend where you click on it. So keep to click on same direction. Yes, so you have some problem. Don't panic. It just delete the sketch from select profile and select it again from same position, and you will obtain this cut. You see, this is our cut on this face. Okay, let's go to next one. We need 20 this cut. So in order to make 20 of these, I go here and take circular pattern. Direction for my product will be this circle. Around this circle, equal spacing at 360 degrees. I want 20 items. Yes. Click on this feature and I just show this cutting, and this will be the effect. Yes, this is the effect of what I will do now. Validate. Yes, we will wait a few seconds. I hope my SolidWorks don't crash. Okay, and this is the result. So we work a little bit, but the result is amazing. So it worth to wait and work for it. Good. Let's see next one. It should be a shell. Yes, shell with 2 millimeters. So I go and take shell command. It's here. Yes. So this will create a shell with 2 millimeters. Yes. So just cut the inside profile. 2 millimeters. Show the up surface, and my part now will be empty and just have the wall with thickness of 2 millimeters. And again, we will wait a little bit because the software should generate all inside profiles like outside. Yes, so just hope it's not crash. I will wait. I will stay patient. Okay, so this is our result. Yes. Okay, so I will take section view and we will see how it's look inside. You see, so we had a bottom with 2 millimeters, and each wall had 2 millimeters. Look, this is how it's seen in a section. Yes, so this is the section of our product. Just exit from section, and this is our product. Good. So let's see what is next. Next is to create it, to prepare it for 3D printing, but this will be the next video about 3D printing. Let me see how to set up the colors. So go to appearance, take what color you want. It will be from plastic, high gloss, and I want to have a yellow. Which yellow? And here I click and said I want for all pattern, and you see it will be just the surfaces from pattern. If I want just one surface, click on first one. If I want all surfaces from pattern, if I want the whole body or the whole part. No, I want just the patterns, and all patterns now will be yellow. And the original one, of course, should be patted alone, yes, independently. Okay, and the outside color will be a blue. Yes, and again I said for whole body. Yes, and this is the effect that I obtained. And of course you can add the customized design element that you want. So this is my part. I will save it on my desktop. Yes, so I'll say desktop, and I will say video 12. Save, and after that prepare it for next step. Thank you. I hope this was interesting for you, and I wait for you for the next video. Bye.